It can begin with a single click, a convincing email, a suspicious attachment, and suddenly, ransomware reached the user's Windows endpoint. The device is now compromised. Applications are unavailable, productivity stops, and the user can no longer safely access the services they need. Even when identity, cloud platforms, and business applications remain operational, the organization still faces a critical problem. How does the user securely reach them from an infected endpoint? This is where IGEL business continuity and disaster recovery closes the endpoint recovery gap. With IGEL Dual Boot already deployed, the user restarts the existing device and selects IGEL OS from the boot menu. Instead of returning to the affected Windows environment, the endpoint boots into IGEL OS, an immutable operating system designed to provide a trusted foundation for secure application access. Within minutes, the same hardware becomes a trusted and centrally managed workspace. The user can reconnect to email, access essential web and cloud services, and resume calls, meetings, and collaboration through approved unified communications tools. IGEL BC&DR helps restore secure access, maintain user productivity, and keep essential operations moving when disruption strikes. For more information, please visit igel.com.